Hi everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to make a super fun craft. We are making bubble painting today. So for this craft, you're going to need a couple different items. You're going to need bubbles with a wand in it. You're going to need a canvas or a piece of cardstock paper. You'll need food coloring, food dye. This is going to be the kind that you can use in cakes, so it's a little bit more pigmented. You'll need a couple different cups and a cup of water, and then you're going to need some kind of tape. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my canvas and tape out a design. So I have my painter's tape, and I'm just gonna lay it the way that I want to do on the canvas. So now I have my canvas taped up, and what I'll do next is take my cups and fill them a little bit each with the bubble juice and the food coloring. Okay, so now I have each of my food coloring and my bubble juice mix. So what I'm going to do is take my bubble wand and dip it into whatever color I'm thinking of starting with first. And I think I'll do pink because it's one of my favorite colors. So I'm gonna make sure that I get enough juice on there that there's going to be bubbles, and I'm just gonna blow it directly onto the canvas. Just like that. Now this is a messy craft, so you do wanna make sure that you have tablecloths down or paper towels down. I put paper towels down on mine. So you're just gonna keep repeating until you get all the colors that you want. Okay, so now I had blown all my bubbles that I wanted onto my canvas. So I'm going to now take the paint tape off. And now my bubble canvas is completed. If you want, you could always blow a few more bubble splats onto it if you don't like the way the lines worked out. But yeah, so this is bubble painting. I hope you guys all have fun with this, and show us in the comments if you do end up making some.